finally on our broadcast today, here's a touching story. Most babies born with Serenamella can only stay alive for a few days. But here we have a story about a girl who is on her way to her first day of kindergarten. Here's the story of Milagros, who was born with her legs completely joined together and is thought to be just the second person ever to survive the disease.
Her name, Milagros, means miracles in Spanish, and many now call her Peru's miracle baby. This week, the smiling 4-year-old walked right in to her first day of kindergarten.
She's a pretty happy girl, active and happy.
Milagros was born with her legs fused together, a rare defect called Sirenomelia. But in a risky operation 2 years ago, doctors reconstructed her hips, knees, and heels. Now surrounded by classmates, she's even taking to the playground slide.
4 years ago, we never imagined that this girl would have been able to go to school.
Most babies born with Sirenomelia can only stay alive for just a few days. Miraculous Milagros is thought to be just the second person ever to survive.